Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to see swapping algorithm using C programming language. So we are going to do this with two methods. So the first one is with pointer and another is without a pointer. So I have a file here without pointer, so I have to start without a pointer. So let us go. First thing first, what we'll do is include header file, include standard output.io, and then afterward we'll declare a swap function with swap, and it will take two integer values, and then we'll do our main function. So this is the entry point of the program. So main function is where the program will be executed. So we'll declare two variables, a equal to, let's say, 2, b equals, let's say, 4, and then what we will do is we're going to print these numbers first. So print before swapping. So the first number is %d, and then let's do a tab spacing and another %d and the new line. So the first one is a and second one is b, correct? So what we will do now is call the swap function, swap a comma b, and then we will just return 0 in this function, and we'll start working on our swap function. So it will be void swap. So let me auto complete this, and here we'll add int a and int b, and then we'll declare a temporary variable. So it is a temporary variable, and the value of this temporary variable will be equal to our a. So a is stored in the temporary variable, and we'll do a equal to b. So b will be stored in a, and temporary variable will then go to b. So it will swap these things. So 2 will go in b and 4 will go in a. So a is assigned as the temporary variable, and a is assigned as b now, b is assigned as a, and temporary variable is now b. So this swaps all the things, and we'll print out now. So let me copy this line, and instead of before, we'll do after swapping. This is it, just simple. So we just declared our function swap that will take two integer inputs, and then in main function we declared two variable a and b. So we printed it before swapping, and then just called the swap function from the main function. And now in the swap function we just take those two numbers a and b, and we need a temporary variable, and we just swap the things. So temporary variable equal to a equal to b, and b equal to temporary variable, so that will swap a and b, and we printed the swapped value. So if I click and run, and you will be able to see here. So if you look closely, so let me zoom this one. So where's that? I think I should run that again. Let me run it. You see, before swapping and after swapping. Before swapping a was 2, b was 4, and after swapping a is equal to 4 and b equal to 2. So this is our first program. So this is so simple. Now let us do swapping with pointer. So create a file, swap with pointer.c, and again include a header file, and then create a swap function. So we are not going to return anything because we cannot return two values from a function, and here we need two values. So in swap with pointer, the first one will be the first input will be a integer pointer and another will also be a pointer, and after that we'll go to our main function, and here again a equal to 2, b equal to 4, and we're going to print the same thing. So let me copy this from here, and instead of writing, let me paste this again, and we'll call swap again, but this time we'll do address of A and address of B, because we are doing this with pointers, so we are just passing the address of A and B, not the value of A and B, just the address of A and B we are passing to the function. And then we can just print out after swapping here as well. So we just print after swapping here only, because we are going to swap the addresses and it will act in the whole program, so it's not a function scope thing. So we can now return 0 and we can start working on our swap function. So void swap, and we'll do integer, then it will be a pointer of, let's say, x, and another pointer of y, and what we'll do is we'll declare a temporary variable. So in temp, and temporary variable will be equal to the pointer of x, and pointer of x equal pointer of y, and then we'll do pointer of y equal to temporary. So this is it. So we're all done. So I'll run this program again. So let me zoom in first, couple of more, then click on the run button, and you see before swapping 2,4, after swapping 4,2. That means our program is working completely fine. So here also we did nothing much, so the algorithm is same, but here instead of passing the value, we are just passing the addresses, and we are performing the operations on pointer instead of integer values. So this is it. Hope you learned something from this video. So this is it for today. Signing off. Thanks for watching.